Alright guys, so this one is a kind of a different video, but I did buy some very interesting shoes from eBay, and I'm just hoping that one, I didn't get ripped off, two, I just kind of was curious and it was a pretty good price, so let's kind of see what I bought on eBay. We'll get into it right after this. So like I said before, we did get this interesting package. It took about a week to get to me, and it only cost me, I think it was like $120, which is like almost retail price for, well, we'll see what it is. I don't want to give it away just yet. It's supposed to be a size 10. Okay. At least it looks like what it was supposed to be. Oh wow. Alright, so this is such an interesting shit. So I posted this on my Instagram and I was just kind of saying like, hey, what are your guys' thoughts on this? So some people were saying it's fire, some people said it was trash, I don't know. But I did purchase this pair of Dunks that were customized to look like the Air Max 97.1 Sean Wotherspoon. So just to give a quick comparison, here is the Dunk and here is the original shoe. So definitely it's definitely inspired from this. So this is the original one that it's inspired by, and this is what it kind of looks like now. So you even have like similar things like the VA to LA, which is also in the back over there. It also has patches right here, which is also on the same tongue right there, and all the same colors. They're similar, but they're a little bit off in terms of the color. So they even did like the little brown swoosh thing on the bottom, which is also right here, the brown swoosh or brown panel with the swoosh on it. Yeah, these are definitely an interesting shoe. The buyer or the seller said that it was made from an actual Nike Dunk model, that it is an actual legit Dunk. Do I believe that fully? I don't really know, because it's kind of hard to tell when it's a custom. So the bottoms do say Nike SB, so maybe that is true, but he was selling them out for pretty cheap. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm gonna do like a quick on foot video, and if I like them, maybe I'll keep them, but let's go ahead and get straight to the on foot. So that was the on foot. Definitely a shoe that will pop by itself. There's no extra like crazy bright colored clothes that I'll need, because I think these will speak for itself. And I honestly think it's a cool design. The only thing I kind of don't like is I don't know why there's like this little dot right there. I don't know if you guys can see that brown dot, but I don't know why that's there. Even the tongue or the insoles, can you guys see that? It's like a wave, and it also says VA to LA, so it kind of like still pays homage to the whole like Sean Wotherspoon aspect, but they're cool. Construction's okay. It's a little low of a toe box, but I don't know, man. just let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I just made this one for fun, and I just thought it'd be good content for you guys to enjoy. So if I do decide to do anything, you guys will hear about it on my Instagram, so make sure to go follow me at The Real Sneak Peek. And other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.